Tattekad. The word literally means flat forest, and the region is an evergreen lowland forest located between the branches of the Periyar River, the longest river in Kerala. Salim Ali, the internationally renowned ornithologist, had described this sanctuary as the richest bird habitat in peninsular India. Dense tropical evergreen forests are characteristic here, and the sanctuary hosts a population of over 270 species of birds, including migratory species. The Malabar trogon is one of our most spectacular birds. In India, it's found in the Western Ghats, hill forests of central India, and in parts of the Eastern Ghats. One of the signature species of Tattekad is the Sri Lankan frogmouth or Ceylon frogmouth seen in the Western Ghats of India and Sri Lanka. Related to the nightjars, it's a nocturnal, feeds on insects, and is found in forest habitats. The hard-spotted woodpecker is a small and striking black and cream bird with an oversized crested head and a short tail. Heart-shaped spots can be seen on the wing coverts if you observe close. The female has a buffy white forehead and crown, while it's black on the males. The throat is whitish and the underparts are a dark olive grey. The nest is bored into a dead branch with a narrow opening and the tunnel going down obliquely before widening into a chamber inside. The bird often builds nests on fences. The usual clutch size is 2 to 3 eggs. The Malabar grey hornbill is a hornbill endemic to the Western Ghats and associated hills of southern India. The bird has a large beak and lacks the casque that is prominent in other hornbill species. It's found in dense forests and also around rubber, areca nut or coffee plantations. The gliding flight with a strong flap is typical, and they also hop around heavily on the outer branches of large fruiting trees. The great hornbill, also known as the concave casqued hornbill, great Indian hornbill or great pied hornbill, is one of the larger members of the hornbill family. It's found in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. With its impressive color and size, it's made into many tribal cultures and rituals. The great hornbill lives for nearly 50 years in captivity. It's predominantly frugivorous but is an opportunist and will also prey on small mammals, reptiles and birds. The white-breasted waterhen is a dark slaty water bird of the rail and crake family and is widely distributed across South and Southeast Asia. They are largely crepuscular in activity and during the breeding season, just after the first rains, make loud repetitive croaking calls. Adult white-breasted waterhens have dark grey upperparts and flanks and a white face and underparts. The Indian paradise flycatcher is a medium-sized passerine bird native to Asia. Males have elongated central tail feathers and a black and rufous plumage in some populations. The coppersmith barbet, also called crimson-breasted barbet, is an Asian species with a striking crimson forehead and throat. It feeds on berries and insects. Plum-headed parakeets are endemic to the Indian subcontinent. Mostly seen in flocks, the males have a bright pink-purple head and the females a grey head. The grey jungle fowl, also known as Sonorat's jungle fowl, is one of the wild ancestors of the domestic fowl together with the red jungle fowl and other jungle fowls. This species is endemic to India, seen commonly in peninsular India. It sometimes hybridizes in the wild with the red jungle fowl. It also hybridizes readily in captivity and sometimes with free-range domestic fowl kept in habitations close to forests. The unmistakable Indian peafowl, also known as the common peacock or blue peafowl, is native to the Indian subcontinent. The male peacock is bright and showy with a blue fan-like crest of wiry feathers and a long train made of elongated upper tail-covered feathers which bears colorful eye spots. The crested hawk eagle or the marsh hawk eagle is a large bird of prey. It's a member of the booted eagle subfamily with signature feathers covering the tarsus. It feeds on birds, mammals or reptiles and is known to be most adaptable and abundant among eagles. The crested serpent eagle is a medium-sized bird of prey that's found in forested habitats across tropical Asia. They often feed on snakes. They fly over the forest canopy on broad wings. The barn owl is the most widely distributed species of owl in the world. The barn owl is nocturnal over most of its range, but it also hunts by the day. The Indian scops owl is a resident species of owl native to South Asia. It's nocturnal and has a natural camouflage, making it difficult to see during the day. The brown hawk owl, also known as the brown bubuk, is an owl which is a resident breeder in South Asia. This species is nocturnal, but it can often be located by the small birds that mob it in its roost. It feeds on large insects, frogs, lizards, small birds, and mice. The brown fish owl has prominent ear tufts and rufous brown underparts that are heavily streaked with black or dark brown. Its underparts are buffy fulvous to whitish with wavy dark brown streaks and finer brown barring. The jungle owlet has a rounded head and is finely barred all over. There is no clear facial disc and the wings are brownish. The mottled wood owl is a species of large owl found in India. They are found in gardens and thin deciduous forests adjacent to dry thorn forests or farmland. Even the greater flamingo makes its appearance among other migrants as a rare visitor at Tappekadu. Across the Western Ghats, bird populations are threatened by human-induced disturbances. It is up to us to heed the warning signals sent by nature and ensure that these wilderness areas are protected. And since everything is connected in nature, our commitment will go a long way in the survival of mankind itself.